like a GE bone shell.
Yeah.
But I could bust this bad boy up.
I believe you.
Yeah, man.
You should.
Oh, I gotta bust this bitch up. Boom. I'll do that. I'll fix it later. I'll break it more later.
That.
Yeah. So who do you think's gonna be the first to go?
Well, I guess it depends.
Popularity-wise, if it's a popularity contest.
Between us people?
Between everybody. Forget the immunity. I'm not gonna honor that.
Okay.
Who do you think's gonna go first? It's not you, don't worry, but someone. I put that.
Okay. Simmons or Mario? Is that a pie? If you want content and more money, you pick more crazy people to stay.
Thanks.
That's how I had to guess. Now, if it's like views, I don't know who the views dislike the most.
Because they like Moro. They got Super Moro Bros.
They do, yeah.
And they like Simmons. They got the Sissification Squad.
Yeah.
So,
and then
everybody's got a support group, you know?
And then if it's us, the group, the seal, it'd be completely different. And it depends on, I feel like Crucial and did Tom for a few at the time.
The Crucial did Tom at Foot Time?
For what?
So what's it?
I feel like if it's between us, it depends on who's over, like if I'm on good terms with someone, or if they're on bad terms or good terms. That's what it really comes down to, if it's between a group.
I don't like Tom. Who do you have the most beef with? Who do you dislike the most? Huge thing. What they drink to my name. In Boston. Used to train on cabinets a lot.
Yeah.
Oh shit. Whoopsie. We gotta bust up a whole room full of cabinets. Oh shit, sorry guys, sorry.
No,
did not know that was in there. Okay.
Well,
I'll get someone to clean that up.
you should fuck up the oven, Max.
No, I'm not gonna fuck anything up here on purpose.